Welcome to the DEX Volume Bot channel, your gateway to the latest blockchain tools and technologies. Powered by Ranga Technologies, we bring you actionable insights to boost your trading strategies. Today we're diving into the Moonshot Volume Booster for Solana, a game-changing tool to enhance trading volume and liquidity. Whether you're a developer, trader, or project owner, this video will walk you through everything, from installation to advanced configuration. Let's get started. The Moonshot Volume Booster is a robust tool designed for the Solana ecosystem, enabling users to 1. Simulate organic trading activity by placing buy and sell orders. 2. Boost token volume to increase visibility and credibility. 3. Enhance liquidity by continuously interacting with DEX platforms. 4. Automate and streamline trading for maximum efficiency. Let's begin by walking through the installation process. Getting started is simple. Follow these steps to install the Moonshot Volume Booster. Visit the official Moonshot Volume Booster website and download the latest version for Solana. Extract the files and ensure you have the necessary dependencies installed, such as the Solana CLI and a supported wallet like Phantom or Solflare. Open the bot's configuration file and connect your Solana wallet securely. Remember to keep your private key safe and never share it with anyone. Now that the setup is complete, let's move to configuration. The Moonshot Volume Booster comes with a user-friendly interface, allowing you to configure every aspect of your trading strategy. Here's how to set it up. Wallet creation. Create multiple wallets for decentralized trading activity. This feature helps mimic organic market behavior by distributing trades across wallets. SUI and token transfers. Transfer a SOL for gas fees and the token you want to trade. The bot automates these transfers, ensuring every wallet is ready for trading. Continuous swaps. The heart of the Moonshot Volume Booster is its ability to execute continuous buy and sell orders. Adjust trade size, frequency, and price ranges to simulate organic trading volume. Wallet balance check. Monitor your wallet balances in real time to ensure funds are sufficient for transactions. This feature gives you full transparency. Transfer back. Once you've achieved your goals, consolidate unused tokens and SOL into your main wallet. This ensures cost-effective resource management. For advanced users, the bot offers customization options to optimize trading activity. Set trading intervals. Define how frequently the bot executes trades. Adjust slippage tolerance. Prevent failed transactions by customizing your slippage settings. Enable API integrations. Connect with market data providers to sync the bot with real-time pricing. These features allow you to tailor the bot's behavior to match your trading strategy and market conditions. Why choose the Moonshot Volume Booster for Solana? Increased visibility. Boosting trading volume improves your token's credibility and visibility on DEX platforms. Enhanced liquidity. By simulating trades, the bot makes your token more attractive to potential investors. Time efficiency. Automating buy and sell orders saves you countless hours. Customizable strategies. From trade size to slippage, the bot adapts to your needs. These benefits make the Moonshot Volume Booster an invaluable tool for growing your token ecosystem. While this bot is powerful, it's important to consider the following. Initial setup requires technical knowledge. Excessive trading may raise questions about authenticity. Resource management is key. Ensure you have sufficient SOL for transactions. By addressing these challenges, you can maximize the bot's effectiveness while maintaining transparency and authenticity. Thank you for tuning in to the DEX Volume Bot channel, powered by Ranga Technologies. The Moonshot Volume Booster is your ultimate tool for enhancing token volume and liquidity on Solana. Ready to revolutionize your trading strategy? Contact us today for custom DApp development and support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more blockchain tools and guides. See you in the next video.